World Health Organization has issued a lockdown for the following states: Illinois, Wisconsin, Indiana, Kentucky. Effective until 23/4/26, D/M/Y, 2150 EST. If you live in any of these states, prepare for a period of quarantine. A biohazard has been detected in the areas and it is spreading quickly. The lockdown will begin in one day. Stockpile food, water, and other essentials. Wear masks while outside. And make sure you have a radio at all times. We thank you for your cooperation. The World Health Organization has issued a lockdown for the following states: Illinois, Wisconsin, Indiana, Kentucky. Effective until October 5, 26. The lockdown has been lengthened to keep the public safe. The biohazard is still out there and is becoming more dangerous. At this time, please stay inside and keep a mask on when the World Health Organization has lifted the quarantine. There is no danger anymore. The previous alert was a WHO. It is safe to go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Do not go outside. The previous message was fake. We are experiencing severe issues right now. Hackers are attempting to breach and send false information. You must stay inside. We can prove that it was fake as it says it was a tornado alert. This is an urgent message. The biohazard has gained sentience. It is alive. It is dangerous. And it is thirsty for death. If you receive this message, you have time. Get to a room with no windows. Preferably a basement. Take all essentials down with you. The biohazard, now going by the name CR1NG3 aka Cringe, is coming. You must hide. Good luck. And may God be on your side.
If you are hearing this, it is too late for you. Cringe has turned into an apex predator there is no escaping. We hope you have enjoyed your time on Earth. We recommend that you spend this time with your loved ones and tell them how much you have loved the time with them. We have tried our best, but this biohazard was simply too powerful. We have loved serving you, but it is time to go. May God have mercy on our souls, and may you come to a peaceful end. Goodbye, fellow humans.
Number 15. Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with perfect toppers. I rule this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup, it's okay. If I don't want that, it also full of bacon. Whopper, any Whopper, my way, Whopper, my way.